Hello student grade 4. Today we will talk about measuring tools. Everything around us is a matter, and all things we use are matter. Like, let's matters like rocks. Rocks are matters. Pen is a matter. Water is a matter. Even you is a matter. Are made of matter. All these things are made of what? Matter. Rocks, pen, water, even you are made of matter. Okay? Let's repeat again. Everything around us is a matter, and all things we use are matter, like books we read, your bike, your pen, rocks, even you. All of these are matters. What is the matter? What's the definition of the matter? Let's see that. The definition of the matter. How you define matter? Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Mass and volume. Anything has mass and volume. Let's know what is the meaning of mass. Look at this picture and what observe. Let's see that boy can't carry his bag. Why? Because it's so heavy. The bag is so heavy. Heavy things have high mass. What is the mass? Mass it's a heavy of things. Okay? Repeat with me. Mass it's the heavy of things. Now let's define mass. How you define mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Repeat with me. It's the amount of matter in an object. It's what? The amount of matter in an object. Okay? We had two definitions until now. Matter and mass. Look at this picture with me. What's observed? It's an elephant. He is big. His size is very big. Mouse. Look at this mouse. Mouse is so little. It's very small in size. Okay? Giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck and it has a very large size. Dog. Dog has short neck and he is small size. We saw in the last slide an elephant. The elephant take very large space because it's very big. And we see a little mouse. A little mouse take a very small space because it's so little. In science, we have a fixed term about the space that an object take, that called volume. What the volume? How we define volume? Volume is the space occupied by an object. Repeat after me. Volume it is the space occupied by an object. Okay? Let's make a quick revision about all we said today. We have three definitions. First, matter. Second, mass. Third, volume. We can ask about them a question. Define mass, define matter, define volume, and I can give you the define and ask you about the name of define that called scientific term. What is the scientific term? Let's see that. Matter, it is anything that has mass and volume. Okay, matter it's anything that has mass and volume. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Volume is the space occupied by a matter. Okay, what is the scientific term? Let's see a question to know that. Scientific term. It is the amount of matter in an object. What is that? It's mass. Mass. It is the amount of matter in an object. Okay. Scientific term. It's the amount of matter in an object. What is this? It's matter. I can ask another question. It's anything that has a mass and volume. What is this? It's matter. It's a space occupied by a matter or object. What's this? It's volume. Give me a scientific term that asks about the define. The name of term. Term of define. Matter it's anything that has mass and volume. Mass it's the amount of matter in an object. Volume is the space occupied by a matter.